Hi there, this is Avraham with ReConvert. In this video, we're going to dive into how you can use ReConvert's customer segment condition to transform your post-purchase experience on Shopify. Ready to boost your store's performance? Well, let's get started. So first, let's discuss what a customer segment condition is. The feature in ReConvert Flow Builder lets you directly target Shopify's customer segments within your post-purchase flows. So by segmenting your customers effectively, you can show the right offers to the right people at the right time. So now let's walk through how to add the customer segment condition within the ReConvert Flow Builder. First of all, open up the Flow Builder and click Add Condition. Then, from the action menu on the right, select Customer Segment. You can give this segment a name, so we'll call this Customer Purchased within the last 10 days. This won't be shown to your customers, but it will just help you keep track of the condition that you've set. Next, in Operator 2, we're going to go ahead and select is one of the customers from the list. But if this was an exclusionary condition, you would select the is not one of the customer segments from the list. Now we're going to click customer segments and we're going to see we have a few different options. Most of these are created originally by Shopify, but by default, you don't have to do anything. These are customers who haven't purchased at all, customers who have purchased more than once, abandoned checkouts in the last 30 days, email subscribers, and customers who have purchased at least once. The other ones here are ones that I've created previously, but as you can see, we don't have the customer segment that we're looking for here, which is that the customer purchased within the last 10 days. So we're going to go ahead and create that customer segment together. So from within your Shopify dashboard, go ahead and click Customers and then click Segments. You'll see the segments that were listed in the Flow Builder a moment ago. We're going to go ahead and create a new segment. You'll see that you have the option to use a template. You can search in here and try to find what you're looking for here. If you're a bit more advanced, you can click Apply a Filter. This will require a little bit more knowledge as you'll need to be familiar with the formulae that Shopify provides and along with the meta fields. But we're going to go ahead and use the simplest way, and I recommend you do the same. If you just click up here, this will load up the Shopify AI Assistant Sidekick. We can ask Sidekick to create the segment that we are interested in. So in our case, we want customers who have made a purchase in the last 10 days. Go ahead and click send, and there you go. Shopify's Sidekick has created the segment for us. So we're going to go ahead and click preview, and we can see here that we haven't had to do anything there. Shopify has done that all for us. We've got the last order date in a formula that's in a language that Shopify and ReConvert will understand, and we have the minus 10 days here, which will provide the answer for the relevant customers that meet that criteria. Now, obviously, if you wanted to change that or tweak that, then we could do that in here or play around with it. There's further learning you can do, which I'm not going to go into here. You can read up on some Shopify articles linked to in the help desk article. But we're going to be happy with this for now. Go ahead and click Save Segment. We'll give it a name, customers who made a purchase within the last 10 days. Save. Now, within this segment, we'll actually see how many of our customers actually meet that criteria in real time. So no customers in my store have made a purchase in the last 10 days. But if this were in your store, you'd probably expect to see some data in there with a percentage given of the number of customers that meet that criteria. We're going to go back into the Flow Builder now. Now you might need to refresh your page, make sure you save before you do. And then once you've done that, you should be able to scroll down and find the segment that you just created. Here's ours, customers who made a purchase within the last 10 days. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that. Now, if we wanted to combine this with other segments here, then we can also do that as well. But for now, to keep this simple, I'm going to go ahead and leave this with this. Go ahead and click save, and that segment slot has been created, that condition rather has been created within the Flow Builder. You can now go ahead and create slots, add widgets. There are separate help desk articles and separate video tutorials to guide you through that process. Once you've created your slots and your widgets, test the purchase and test the segments and conditions to make sure it works. And that's it. You've added a customer segment condition to your post-purchase flow. So that's it. That's a wrap. With ReConvert's customer segment condition, you're all set to deliver personalized post-purchase experience that truly resonate with your customers. If you do need any more help, our customer care team is available 24/7 via live chat. Just click the button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials and tips. It really helps other merchants discover ReConvert. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy ReConverting.